Welcome you all. Myself Rajkumar Verma, working as a lecturer in Electrical Engineering Department at Department of Technical Education, Rajasthan. Already I have covered some of the video lectures which is more importantly related to the career opportunity in engineering. Today I am going to take a presentation on a current and latest topic of the country, that is National Recruitment Agency, which is established right now. So let's start with the title, Know About National Recruitment Agency. Then first question is, what is National Recruitment Agency? So the Union Cabinet chaired by Honorable Prime Minister of the country, that is Narendra Modi, has decided to set up a National Recruitment Agency. The short form of National Recruitment Agency is NRA. The proposed NRA will conduct a common preliminary examination for various recruitment in the central government. Various recruitment means it will cover the Staff Selection Commission, that is SSC, second one is the RRB, that is Railway Recruitment Board, and third one is the IBPS, which is particularly for banking sector. Okay. Now, why it is required to establishment of NRA? What is the need of NRA? So, in the SSC, RRB, and the IBPS, a lot of students appeared in each year, and there are different type of agencies are present in the government of India, and almost 2.5 to 3 crore students appeared for the different examination which is conducted by the central government organization or central government agencies, and they covered almost 1.25 lakh vacancies in different organizations. For that purpose, a lot of application fees is submitted by the students, and the traveling fees and the other fees, expenditure also carried by the students. To overcome all these things, central government has decided that we have to make a NRA, that is National Recruitment Agency, under which a separate examination will be conducted, that is known as Common Eligibility Test, or in the short form, that is CET. And the CET score will be provided to the candidate, and according to the CET score, he or she can apply for the SSC post, RRB post, or the IBPS post. Now, will the NRA conduct a test for the all government vacancies? This is the question, but the answer is no. Right now, or as of now, only 3 government agencies are covered, that is SSC, second one is the IBPS, and third one is the RRB. If it is, and this particular CET examination will be conducted for the Group A and the Group C non-technical post, and which is covered by the 3 different agencies which I have already mentioned. And if it is succeed in the future, then government have planned that more examination will be covered in this NRA or CET examination. For the procedure of syllabus, for the procedure of the examination pattern, the agency will have representative from SSC, IBPS, and the RRB. And it is conducted for this examination will be conducted for the 3 levels, that is graduate students, higher secondary, that is 12th pass student, and the 10th pass student or matriculated candidates. Okay. On the basis of the screening done by the CET examination, separate score will be available for the students, and the selection for the recruitment shall be made through separate specialized tiers, that is tier 2nd, tier 3rd, and the etc. for the SSC, IBPS, and the RRB. And in future, it will cover other examination also. Most important thing about this CET examination or NRA, that government has planned that they will set up examination center in each district of the country, but right now many of the district of the country is have the lack of infrastructure for the establishment of the examination center, but government is assured that they will give enough infrastructure or internet facility to set up examination center in the each district of the country. Now, the most important question, or the most important rule, or most important para which is included in the NRA, that this particular score, that is Common Eligibility Test score, is valid for the 3 years, from the declaration of the result. And if any student or any student want to improve his or her score, he or she can apply for the examination in the next round, or he or she can improve the score. Last but not least, that what is the medium of the CET? Many of the examination which is conducted in the country held in the Hindi as well as the English English language, but this particular examination that is valid for the entire country, and this is covered in the 12 languages which is mentioned in the 8th schedule of the Constitution of India. This is beneficial for the student which they are coming from the northeast background, or particularly Bengal, Tamil, Odia, the particular mother tongue of these states are not Hindi or English, but their basic language is these 12 languages which is covered in the 8th schedule of the Constitution of India. This is all about the NRA, that is National Recruitment Agency, which is the NRA will conduct examination, that is CET Common Eligibility Test, and this is complete about the CET and the NRA examination. I think in my perspective, this is the good initiative taken by the Government of India. It will benefit for the students, it will be beneficial for the students who applied for the for a particular post or for a particular job in the different agencies, or a lot of money is vested, or simply we can say that completely vested in the application fee and the traveling and the stay purpose. They vested a lot of money, but Government of India has decided that they will conduct a single examination which covered the different agencies in it. Thank you very much. In the next video lectures, I will cover the different career opportunity which is provided in the engineering field, like engineering service examination, DRDO, ISRO, and many more. Thank you very much.